Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks using our new collection, our new sticker kit called Almost Midnight. And this comes in four versions. We have the Hobonichi weeks kit, we have the Hobonichi cousin vertical, as well as the hourly format, and the Hobonichi original A6. So this kit is called Almost Midnight, and we have sister kits for this. It is part of the Twilight Princess collection, which has Almost Midnight, this one. It has Into the Night, as well as Magical Times. So here I started with my date cover-ups, followed by that long strip of sticker that I just put right beside the date cover-ups, and then the long box sticker on the side of the page. And then at the bottom of the page, we have the two bottom bars, the left side, which is the shorter one, and the right side, which has the scene. It has a really pretty scene with a princess running around going somewhere because it's almost midnight and she is on a curfew. I guess we all know which princess this is. There's only really one princess that has a curfew at midnight. I've taken a large chair deco sticker and I'm putting down a label sticker on top of it so that I can write down something that involves both Monday and Tuesday. And of course, we have a shoe, because this princess is known for her love of shoes. On this page, on the right side of the page, I've put down my goals, which I followed up with my 2 dot stickers and a deco sticker up there. So the deco sticker is going to serve as a reminder for me to update if I have achieved my goals. Under that, we have the to-do sticker, script sticker, and I've put down the 2 label stickers under it so that I can divide the page into 2 sections. Underneath the labels, I'm going to put down my dot stickers to serve as a checklist. By the way, if you're interested in getting any of the kits, we have a free shipping discount code for you from Saturday until Monday Eastern Standard. A minimum purchase of $10 is required. For the weekend sticker, I put that vertically on the strip sticker that I put on there. And then the long box checklist sticker would serve as my tracker for this week. I'm just putting down the rest of my script stickers such as today, track. For the notes section, I've put down my decos that I haven't used yet, which is the clock tower and the princess under it so that she's running. And then there goes my very last deco. I've decided to put it on the bottom bar on the left side of the page, and I feel like it's perfect there. And that is the page done. These are my empties. And now we're going to move on to the rest of the page that I will decorate using my Kina Prints emoji stickers that I've pulled from my collection. The Kina Print stickers that I have are all pink, while their clothes are pink, so I feel like it's really going to match the spread. So here I've used one of my fountain pens, which is my Lamy Safari. It has a purple ink right now in a cartridge that came with the fountain pen. And on Monday and Tuesday of next week, there will be no classes for Monday and Tuesday because it is a holiday, and I've put down a no school sticker from Kina Prints. On Tuesday, it's going to be my writing day because there is no school and I'm just gonna be at home. I've actually put down a study sticker from Kina Prints. I'm using another fountain pen here, and it also has purple ink, Sailor Shikiori in Fuji Sugata. And then on Wednesday, I've put down a go to school reminder emoji sticker because that would be the start of the school week. Also, apart from the header, I am using another fountain pen, and it is the Platinum 0.2. On Thursday, it's going to be a design day, so I'm probably going to sleep really late. I would usually start design by Monday, but because I can't design anything on Tuesday, I'd have to stay up really late. And on Friday, I put down a Friday sticker because it is Friday. Apart from going to class, I don't really have anything planned on that day. Maybe just finishing up some designs. So here I have two of my Sticker Joy stickers, and I picked my heart eye sticker because on Saturday it is new releases day and it is the last release, I think, of August. And then at the very end of the daily sections on Sunday, I put down a plan with me sticker. It's my Joy sticker holding a planner. I really like this Joy sticker because this sheet has the same girl, but she's holding different colored planners, and I think that's really fun. And then for the right side of the page, I'm just writing down my goals for the week, which is new releases, and write my paper. So I have a giant homework to do. So for my to-do, I put down class as well as shop. So two of the things that I want to spend my time on. And I just write down the to-do list for each of the to-do sections that I have. Later, I will be filling up the rest of the to-do list section, but here I am going to write down the things that I need to do for social media, such as Instagram stories, and YouTube. And on Monday, I'm going to edit a video so I can post it later that night. And that is our page done for today. So this is about the same amount that I do every time I plan. I go back to this page through the week and fill up the empty sections. And that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to our channel, paperjoyph, and don't forget to check out our shop, paperjoyph.com. We have free shipping code today till the rest of the weekend, so go ahead and check it out. Bye-bye!